Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be using these caps. And I'm going to tear off 5 of them. Okay. See, there's 5 of them. Then I'm going to fold them up. Until it's like thick. And I'm just gonna put it on the ground. And then all you need is a rock. Well, something to hit it really hard. So I'm gonna put you guys right here. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna lean you against the door. Sorry, I'm gonna get this set up, so I'm gonna skip this part. Okay, I got it set up. I have my rock, caps, ground to pound it on. So it's right here. See that right there? You're ready. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I'm gonna get a bigger rock. One sec. Okay, got a bigger rock. So I'm gonna pound it like that. Let's hope we can make the loudest noise we can. It is almost July, so it won't really matter. People are already setting off fireworks. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, do you see that? We actually burnt it. Burnt it right there. So hit it again. Okay, that's it with that one. Now, how much should I do this one with? I'm gonna do just a random number. Fold it in half, fold it in half, and then fold it in half. Okay, so lay it on the ground. Get a rock. You want to make it thick enough so it can like be squished, not like this. I'll show you. Not as loud. Okay, remember how loud that is compared to this. This is about like 8 or something, so it'll be loud. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. That was loud. Okay, I think that's all. So let me get make a pointy rock, and I'll go get that. Okay, so what the pointy rocks can do, like, watch this. Oh, I should just zoom in. And wait. Hang on. Do you see that little piece of fire? That was quiet. If you want like not that much noise, but like coolness, just slide it across it. Let's see how many I can do. So I'm gonna start on this one. That one right there that I'm pointing at. Let's start there and see how many I can pop. Okay, I did 3. See? 1, 2, 3. Now I'm just gonna pound the rest of these. Okay. So I'm gonna fold them up. Oh, hope this is thick enough. And I'm gonna get my big rock. This rock isn't actually that big. Place it where you want it to be. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Yeah, so that's loud. So comment down below what you want me to do in my next video. It's a nice day outside. Look at this huge branch. Look at this. I'm gonna put you guys right there. Kinda heavy, but not that heavy. It's just heavy-ish. So let me pick this up. Not that big, but bigger than the other branch that fell down a couple weeks ago. Yeah, I think there was a storm or something, but I just got back from vacation, and that was in our yard. I don't know if somebody dragged it over here, because they didn't want it in their yard, or it just fell from our tree. The one right there. So it's about, look how big that is. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comments below, down below, of what you want me to do in my next video. So, see you in my next video.
I don't like the stand up, so that girl don't ride. American buying, Goliard buying, Billy Lim buying, Rick going buying, Off-White buying. You know I don't got buying. Feel on, standing on. If you thought I was lying, girl, you need a back, or you need some try.